When you have important rear seat passengers, you want to make sure they are enjoying a cabin set at their ideal temperature. That's where the Atlas 3-Zone Climatronic Climate Control System excels. With the cabin of younger passengers, you can control the climate from the front seat. Just press Menu. Additional climate control options are also available in the infotainment screen. Touch the blue side of the temperature to make it cooler, and the red side to make it warmer. If your passengers prefer to set their own temperatures, you can unlock the rear seat passenger controls. The lock icon turns from a gold color to white when it is unlocked. The rear seat passengers can then increase or decrease the temperature. They can also adjust the blower speed, which takes the system out of automatic mode. Air can then be directed to the floor vents, the center console vents, or to a combination of both. To put the system back into automatic mode, they just have to press Auto. Some Atlas trims may be equipped with rear seat heating. The 3-Zone Climatronic system is designed to help keep all of your passengers at their preferred temperature.